In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to meeting invitations in Google Calendar. Let's start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing into the correct account. You'll see your schedule in day, week, or month view. Use whatever view helps you spot the invitation quickly. If times look off, check the time zone shown in the corner of the calendar so you're reviewing the event at the right local time. This matters if you collaborate across regions. Once your calendar is visible and up to date, you're ready to respond. Find the invitation on your calendar and click it to open the event details. This panel gives you the essentials at a glance: the date and time, the meeting location or video link, any agenda notes from the organizer, and the list of attendees. Take a moment to confirm that the timing doesn't conflict with anything else on your schedule. If it's part of a recurring series, you may notice it repeats. Keep that in mind as you decide how you want to respond. Reviewing the details first helps you answer accurately and avoids last-minute changes. Now choose your response: yes, no, or maybe. Select yes if you plan to attend. This confirms your spot and keeps the event clearly visible on your calendar. Choose no if you can't make it. This tells the organizer to plan without you and can help free up your schedule visually. Pick maybe if you're unsure. Your calendar will show the event as tentative, signaling that your availability could change. Right below these options, you'll see a place to add notes. Use this to provide helpful context, like a brief reason for declining, a heads up that you might be running late, or a request for clarification. Keep it concise and courteous. The organizer and sometimes other guests may see your message. When you submit your response, the organizer is notified automatically, and your status updates for everyone. If plans change later, simply reopen the event and select a different response. Your calendar and the organizer's guest list will update accordingly. For recurring meetings, you may be asked whether the change applies to just one occurrence or the entire series. Choose what fits your situation. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, click the event to review the details, then respond with yes, no, or maybe, and add a note when it helps. Responding promptly keeps everyone aligned and makes scheduling smoother for the whole team.